Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're making this chunky cowl or scarf, and this is going to be an updated video with better angle and sound. I uploaded the original one around 8 months ago, so yeah, I hope you guys like it, and this is what we need for this project. For this project, what I'm going to be using is 2 skeins of yarn of this Lion brand Hometown USA in the color Timpa Spice. And then together with that, I'm going to be using these buttons, and I'm going to need 3 of them. I got them at Walmart, I believe, like for $1.20, $1.50. And then also I'm gonna be using my 9mm crochet hook. Okay, and to begin this project, I'm gonna slip knot, and we're gonna start our base chain, which it will be 30. We're gonna chain 30. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I already finished here my 30 chains, and this is what we have right now. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So the loop that it was in the hook, it doesn't count, so that's why we count 3 chains from the hook. Okay, so and we're gonna double crochet all the way to the end, and we're gonna stop when we are 3 chains away, and that's where we're gonna do the hole for the first button. Okay, so I just finished here my first row with the double crochets, and like I said, I gonna stop when I'm 3 stitches away. So I double crocheted in the 2nd one, and then I leave 2, so we chain 1, and then we're gonna skip 1 stitch, and then we double crochet in the last chain, like so. And that's the first space for the button. Okay, so we chain 2, and then we turn our work, and then we're gonna double crochet in top of the chain that we did. So we double crochet right there. And we're gonna double crochet all the way until we get to the end, and this is what we have right now. So yeah, we keep crocheting our way to the end. Okay, so I just finished my 2nd row with double crochets, and this is what we have right now. This is how it should be looking. Okay, and now we're gonna start a new row. So we're gonna chain 2 again, and then we're gonna turn our work, and then we're gonna keep double crocheting in the next stitch. and in the next, and the next, and the next, until we get to the end of the row. Okay, so I just finished my third row with double crochets, and this is how it looks like. And now for the fourth row, it's gonna be the same. We chain 2, we turn our work, and we're gonna double crochet all the way to the end. Okay, so I just finished here my fourth row. Okay, and for the fifth row, we're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're gonna turn our work, and then we're gonna double crochet all the way until we have 2 stitches left. Okay, so after we got to the 2 stitches left, we are going to chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and then double crochet in the last one. So this is what you should have right now. That's our second buttonhole. So that's the 5th row, and this is how it looks like. So now for the row 6, we're gonna basically do the same thing. We're gonna chain 2, and then we're gonna turn our work, and we're gonna be repeating the same thing. We're gonna double crochet all the way to the end, and we're gonna be doing the same thing for 3 more rows. So we're gonna make in total 4 rows of double crochet, chain 2, and then another row of double crochet. So like I said, in total are gonna be 4. Okay, so after we double crocheted 4 more rows, this is what we should have. That's our last buttonhole, and there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 rows. So now we're ready to do our third and last hole for the button. So we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna chain 2, and then we're gonna turn our work, and we're gonna double crochet all the way to the end until we are 2 stitches away, and that's where we're gonna do our last hole. Okay, so I just got here to the end of the row, and I have 3 stitches left. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna double crochet in the next stitch, and then I'm gonna chain 1, I'm gonna skip the next stitch, and I'm gonna double crochet in the chain 2 that we did in the last row, and that completes the third hole. So now we're ready to cut the yarn, leaving a tail. We fasten off, and now we can hide all the tails that we have with a tapestry needle. So now what's next is we're gonna put the buttons. So we're gonna place the scarf like I'm gonna do here, and then you're gonna kind of guide yourself where you're gonna sew the buttons with the 3 holes that we did. So So this is what I'm doing here, kind of guiding myself to where I'm gonna sew the first button, and then where the second one is gonna go, and I do the same thing with the third one. So that's where kind of I'm gonna put my buttons in place. To sew the buttons, I'm gonna be using this tapestry needle, and from the leftovers of my yarn I'm gonna cut a piece, and then I'm just gonna get a piece of it like this, and then I'm gonna get my needle, and then that's what I'm gonna use to sew my buttons in place. Okay, so now I guide myself again to be sure where I'm gonna sew the button. Okay, and here I'm gonna show you how I sew mine, and you don't have to sew it like I do. If you have another way to do it, just do it your way. I'm just showing how I do mine. And now when I'm sure that is tied enough, I just get the two tails and I do a double or triple knot to secure the button and for it not to fall. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the same thing for the next two. So I'm gonna do that, and then I come back when the two of them are in place. Okay, so I just put all my buttons in place, and this is what we have now. So this is how it looks like without styling it, or however it's gonna go. So now we just guide it together, and this is how it looks like now with all the buttons in place. And you can style it however you want. You can put the 3 buttons, or you can do this what I'm doing there. You can basically just wear it however you like it. So this is the final product, and like I said, you can wear it with the 3 buttons and just fold it like I did there if you don't want it to be like too high in your neck, or you just can't cover your whole neck area, and you will definitely be warm and cozy for winter. For the little tails that we have, like I have right there, that is where we join together the yarn. You can just hide it with your crochet hook and it wouldn't be visible. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.